galing.
Nasa tayo sa Korean. Prince, Jewel, ano ba?
Hoy, na yun.
Ano yan? Jewel in the Palace Restaurant. From Korea. This is your favorite bata. Lettuce. We have lettuce with pork, with chili, and with repolyo in vinaigrette. The other order is spaghetti. It's spaghetti with special noodles. Ano to? Ano to? With coffee with a small
Coffee for the income.
coffee with a small cup. Laruan. Yeah. Coffee is good. Coffee is good, but we need cash. Wait, huwag mo na ako i-video-video din. Mapapagalitan na yung dati. Si Lian ang ililiyan.
Dali, ulitin mo yung ginawa mo kanina.
And this one is a hugas kamay.
Ayoko na, malamig na yung
Another one
ate mo sa mahirap sa ulo.
is
What is that?
what is that?
That.
This is a salad. Salad.
That one.
Kaya bumaba.
Ay nako, pahuhuli natin yan sa pulis na.
This one. This one.
This one nga, isa overcook kang
Ay, wek! Wek! Pag kayo magpasalamat kayo ha at mag-kiss kayo, ha?
Si ate pala yun.